Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Planet. I'm Tvisha this side, and today we are going to continue with the chapter Triangle and its properties. So in this video we are going to study about the first theorem which we will cover in this chapter, that's the exterior angle theorem. So there are four theorems in total in this chapter. We will study it in every part, one theorem in every part. Okay. So now let's continue with exterior angle theorem for this video. So in the exterior angle theorem, one important part is the exterior angle, as the name suggests. So now an exterior angle of a triangle is an angle formed by one side. So I'll show you which side. Okay, you can see this side. Okay, now alright. So you can see that this is one side, and when we extend this side, okay, so as it is mentioned here, by one side of the triangle and the extension of an adjacent side of the triangle, right? So the same way, this is one side of the triangle and this is extending the adjacent side. You can even extend this side. As you can see, one angle is being formed here. So this way, these angles which are enclosed by these two sides is known as an exterior angle. So these blue angles which are marked are the exterior angle. Now, another thing is that why is this angle not an exterior angle? Because you can see that for making this angle, we need to extend both the sides, okay? But the statement of an exterior angle says that it is an angle formed by one side is here, and extension of the adjacent side. But in this case we have to extend both the adjacent sides, then only this angle will be formed. Hence this angle is not an exterior angle. Now let's move on to the next very important topic, that is the interior opposite angle. Now an interior opposite angle is an angle which is opposite and also an interior angle. Okay, now what do I mean by this? So this is an exterior angle, angle 1 is an exterior angle. Now the interior opposite angles of 1 will be 3 and 6. These are the interior opposite angles. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now I will explain it. Okay. So why are these the interior opposite angles of angle 1? Because they are, first of all, they are interior, and secondly they are opposite. So the opposite angles of angle 1 are 3 and 6. Now if they would be outside, they would be exterior. They are inside the triangle, that's why they are interior. So the interior opposite angles of 1 are 3 and 6, and the interior opposite angles for angle 5 are 2 and 3, and for angle 4 we have 2 and 6. I hope this topic is also clear. Now let's move on with the interior opposite angle. Okay, now we will study about the exterior angle theorem. Now we know that what are interior opposite angles, we know that what are exterior angles. So now we will relate it with each other. Now the exterior angle theorem states that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So the two opposite interior angles of angle 5 are angle 2 and angle 1. So angle 2 plus angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Alright. So now you, in this there's a property, and you all can also observe it in this triangle. Okay, that here we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 5. Hence we know that angle 1 is also smaller than angle 5 and angle 2 is also smaller than angle 5. This property is a basic property which you all know. Okay, now let's watch a video to prove the exterior angle theorem. So you can see it. As you can see, there are 3 angles marked in the 2 triangles. Now we have to cut angle 1, any 2 angles of the triangle, of the second triangle. Now we have to paste it. So now they are just completing the triangle on the paper so that it represents a complete triangle. Now we have to extend the line, and then we will represent the 2 angles. Now we have to paste the 2 angle cutouts of angle 1 and angle 3. You will observe that angle 1 plus angle 3 forms the whole exterior angle of the triangle. Now we can observe here that angle 1 plus angle 3 are forming an exterior angle of the triangle. So now let's move on to some practice questions. So these are the common questions which might come in your exams. So these 2 questions you can solve and comment down the answers. I will explain these questions in my next video. So stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.